Success is not a comfortable position. It is to get uncomfortable if you want success. These are the lines from Steve Harvey, one of the famous American actor, TV presenter, businessman, author. Now, when I heard these lines from him recently, I remembered one situation in my professional life which has happened long back. The first 2 years of my career, I was working as a graduate hired and then a junior software engineer. In that role, I was just working under someone's supervision. I never interacted with anyone apart from my team lead. There was no interaction with the client or no interaction with the end users. So that was the thing which did in my first 2 years. Now, when it comes to my second organization, I joined as a senior software engineer. We were having a US client, and it was kind of a support and development project where I was working as a senior software engineer, and the situation demands or the work was like that we need to interact with the end users, sometimes the business analyst from the client, or sometimes to the other managers from the client as well. So this was the situation. One day my technical lead came with some Excel sheet where he said that this is the Excel sheet which is having all the details, and you need to get the knowledge transfer from the business analyst which is mentioned in that sheet. And this is to be happen for next 15 days, every day 1 hour call. Now, I never interacted with any of the users or any of the people from the client before. And this was a very uncomfortable position for me. I was in a tense situation because the challenge was not getting that knowledge transfer. The challenge was to understand the American accent first and then to speak with them as well, because that is where I was just getting uncomfortable because I was not having any experience in interacting with the end users or interacting with the US persons, because I feel means understanding their accent is something which is very difficult for me. The second thing was when it comes to asking question as well, can I ask the questions as well? And how I can ask the questions? Because to speak as well, I was not that confident. Now this is a situation. Before the call, I was very tense. I was feeling that pressure or that kind of a burden, you can say, means I was having in my mind. However, there was no choice for me again. The choice was to face it, because in a job, wherever whatever the task which we have given, that we need to do it. For that, I said, let's face it. I had that first call on that day where most of the time I was just in listening mode. However, there is one more thing I was doing was I was very focused. I was very attentive. Whatever the next person is talking, I was just listening very carefully. Though there were some accent which I could not understand, however, overall context I was able to get it. So that is important to understand. That call which I was just thinking of, I was very afraid that how it will go. However, when the call is finished, it happens smooth. I did ask couple of questions only. Most of the time I listened only. However, that call gave me confidence that yes, I can do this as well. For the next 15 days, we had that every day 1 hour session, and day by day I improved a lot. I got more confidence in speaking. It was not 100% understanding of the accents by end of 15 days call as well. However, it was an improvement day by day. That is what I feel means that gave me confidence, and after that I handle many client calls. I and independently work with many end users, many people with whom I had to work last 13 years. This what's happen when we actually face it. Now remember, if I would have avoided that situation, if I would not have uncomfortable in that position, then might be I may not be able to improve. That is what success for me. Success is not a big thing. Many people will say success is a big thing, achieving big money. Many people will know you will become a celebrity or something like that. That is not a success. Success can be very small, small things. in our life as well. Whatever we are doing, whatever we are achieving, very small things as well, just try to see that in that perspective, that is also success. From my perspective, these small things, wherever we are getting uncomfortable, however getting uncomfortable and then we are becoming comfortable in working in that, that is success for me. Now I would like to ask you as well, go back to your past few years of your professional career or maybe personal life. Just see where you were uncomfortable at the first place. However, after when you face that actual situation, you were comfortable. That is what you will get, that confidence. That's why I would like to tell you that just think on this and just face it. Don't avoid it. Don't avoid it. Any situation, wherever, whatever we need to do it. Doing that activity, doing that things is making us more confidence. It is a growing ourselves. We are getting improved day by day. That is what we all need to do. I hope this story has motivated you in some way. What you think about this, please put it in comment section. If you like my video, then please like it and share it with others as well, that so that other people can get motivated as well on this. This is Atul Kadlag signing off until we meet next Sunday. Thank you.